Let me just start out by saying thank you for watching. I'm getting ready to do one more mod to the Harbor Freight tire machine. As you can see, changed this tube, reinforced the bead breaker, added the duckbill mod. Works very well. Haven't really kept track, but if I had to guess, I'm at about 60 or so tires on this by now that I've broken down. What happened when I was breaking down the tires on the wife's truck to change the TPMS sensors, this bar broke. As you can see, it had been kind of bent from using it to mount and dismount tires. This is, even though it kind of looks like it's very ferrous metal, but it is metallic. So I finished up the tire job on replacing her sensors just by using my 40-inch trucker tire spoon here to finish breaking down our tires. So what I'm going to do now, this is a very hefty piece of 1-inch solid steel. So what my plan is to join those two and slide this 1-inch tubing, or I'm sorry, 1-inch round stock into the handle and weld it all up. This is a foot long, so it should provide more than enough support for the handle going forward. I bought this again off of Amazon, so I'll leave a link to that. I'll come back. Not great, but I think it's going to work. So I just welded the rod right to that 1-inch stub that was on there. So I'm going to insert it in the pipe and weld it up. So there you go. I drove the end with the 1-inch solid rod welded to it into that, and I'm going to weld that up. It should be stronger than it ever has been. Okay, so I'll weld it up with a coat of paint. I think it's good to go. Better than ever.